Friends, Dave here. Really quick, have you ever felt like you're kind of spinning your wheels on social media? Well, I want to give you a couple tips here to really start to focus yourself so you actually start getting some better results there. And so we often hear this from a lot of people when I'm talking to small business owners. They feel like they're overwhelmed, right? Because there's so much going on. There's so much you have to do to kind of feed that beast. And so how do you kind of focus yourself and start to get really better results from what you're doing? First tip here I'll give you is just choose one, maybe two channels to start with, right? Your goal here is to really understand that channel, be in a place where your customers are, right? Your potential customers are, a place that you feel comfortable on as the business itself, right? That makes sense. And for, if you're creating that content, that makes sense for you as the content creator as well. And so you want to focus your efforts there. So for example, right now with these videos, I'm really focused on LinkedIn specifically, right? I'm not doing things every place else. I'm just doing them right on LinkedIn and I'm focused here. So that helps you, again, figure out what's working and what's not working on that channel so you can get to the point where, hey, I feel good about what's happening here. I'm seeing the results I need to see. Now I'm going to layer on another channel. All right, I'm going to start to figure out how do I master that one. Okay, so that's number one. The other thing that you want to think about is really how do you spend your time on these channels? And in particular, when you're thinking about social media, I think it's really about three goals when you're thinking about your business. It's about driving awareness for your business, of course, making sure people know who you are. It's about providing customer service as well. People will often turn to social channels to complain or try to contact a business. And so you want to make sure that you have a customer service element. People are often looking or lurking and watching what those engagements look like as they're trying to decide whether or not you're a business that they want to do business with. And then, of course, you're trying to get people to take some type of action ultimately at the end of the day, which means getting them closer to your business and hopefully making a purchase, making a sale, or even just recommending you to somebody else. And when you think about that, that's really about driving just engagement in general, right? All of these things are the places, the goals, right? Driving awareness, providing customer service, and getting them to take action. But you do that on social through driving engagement. So some things to think about there. Are you thinking about social like this? Have you felt like you're spinning your wheels? Is this helpful? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments. All right, friends, we'll talk to you soon.